Alright, so this is just going to be a quick little tech tip. So I pulled this burner out of a heater that I found at the scrapyard. Had a newer style gas valve. And the most common thing to go bad on these is this thermopile generator. And we need that to generate, 300 millivolts for the gas control valve or so. So I pulled this out to see if this is any good. And so what will happen is when you light the pilot, this thermopile gets heated up and sends electricity through these wires over here back to the control valve. So first you got to set your meter to DC millivolts. So you see millivolts is right there. And then as soon as you start applying heat, you'll see that that voltage should start rising. That's reacting pretty good. See, it's heating up pretty fast. Let's see. It'll drop this down in millivolts. Alright, so it's too many millivolts right now. It's going to come down here as it cools. Alright, so see, now it's cooling down to air temperature, so your millivolts is going to drop down. So that's still a good thermopile. So this is off of a 50-gallon gas heater. So you could pop this out, save it for maybe one under warranty or something, in case you can't get a new part right away. Just something to hold you over till you can get a brand new one.